The future is here, and it's smarter than ever. In this video, I'm revealing 3 free AI tools in 2025 that will absolutely blow your mind. You've probably never heard of number 2. First up is Poe by Quora. Think of it as ChatGPT, but on steroids. You can switch between GPT-4, Claude, and other cutting-edge models all in one place. And it's lightning fast. It's perfect for brainstorming, content writing, or even coding help. And yes, there's a free version. Next is Runway ML Gen 2. This tool lets you turn text into stunning videos. Just type a scene, like a futuristic city at sunset, and it generates a cinematic video in seconds. Creators, marketers, and storytellers are already using this for viral content. And finally, Gamma.app, your new favorite AI presentation tool. Instead of wasting hours on PowerPoint, just type your topic and Gamma builds the slides for you. It's like Canva meets ChatGPT. Whether you're pitching an idea or teaching online, this saves a ton of time. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I post weekly videos about the coolest AI tools and tech news so you can stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.